Welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video we are going to take up another very interesting question from radical equations which we'll be solving for real values of x. So let's get it started. If we will check our radicands only, these two radicands only, then we can say there is one algebraic formula a plus 2 square root a plus 1. This is nothing but square root a plus 1 whole square, and a minus 2 times square root a plus 1 is square root a minus 1 whole square. But our radicand is not exactly the same as our identity. So what we will do here, we will add 1 and subtract 1 inside the radicand part. So I will write here square root x minus 1, then we have 2 times square root x minus 1. We have subtracted 1, so we have to add 1. Same way we will write square root of x minus 1. Then we have minus 2 times square root of x minus 1. We have subtracted 1, so we have to add 1. This will be equal to RHS x minus 1. Now a is x minus 1. Then it is matching with our algebraic identity. A plus minus 2 square root a plus 1 is equal to square root a plus minus 1 whole square. So here we can write square root of x minus 1 plus 1 whole square plus square root of x minus 1 minus 1 whole square equal to x minus 1. Now we are not going to cancel square root with a square, as we know square root of k square equal to mod k. So we will write mod of square root of x minus 1 plus 1 plus mod of square root of x minus 1 minus 1 equal to x minus 1. Now we will use substitution. So let me write equation 1's square root of x minus 1 plus 1 plus mod of square root of x minus 1 minus 1 equal to x minus 1. Now we will use substitution. Let us say square root of x minus 1, suppose equal to u. For x to be real, u must be positive. Now we will square both sides and we will write x minus 1 will be equal to u square. So we can write mod of u plus 1 plus mod of u minus 1 equal to u square. Condition on u is u must be positive. Now we will write here for u positive there will be two conditions as per our modulus equation or absolute value equation. First case is u is greater than 0 and less than equal to 1. So let us write equality here. Once u is lying in the interval 0 to 1, then mod of u plus 1 will be u plus 1. And mod of u minus 1 will be minus of u minus 1 using mod property. Mod of x equal to x when x is greater than or equal to 0 and equal to minus x when x is less than 0. So we will write equal to u square. Now we will expand this. U plus 1 minus u plus 1 equal to u square. Now plus u and minus u will be over. We will write here u square equal to 2. So we are going to get u equal to plus root 2, u equal to minus root 2. Now u is in the interval 0 and 1. Root 2 is 1.414. So u equal to 1.414 and minus 1.414, which is not in this interval. So this case will be rejected as we are getting unaccepted values of u. Now our second case where u is greater than 1. So I will write for positive u, we are having only two cases. U is greater than or equal to 1. So let me write equation once. Mod of u plus 1 plus mod of u minus 1 equal to u square. Now u is greater than or equal to 1. So we will write mod of u plus 1 will be u plus 1 and mod of u minus 1 will be u minus 1 equal to u square. Now plus 1 minus 1 will be over. We will write 2u equal to u square. Or we can take all the terms to RHS. U square minus 2u equal to 0. We can take u common out. So in the bracket we will write u minus 2 equal to 0. So from here we will be getting u equal to 0, u equal to 2. Now we have to check as per our condition. U should be greater than or equal to 1. On this ground we will reject u equal to 0. So we are going to accept u equal to 2. Now u is our substitution. So we will write here u equal to square root of x minus 1 equal to 2. Now we will be squaring both sides. So we will write square root of x minus 1 whole square equal to 2 square. Square root and square will be over. We will get x minus 1 equal to 4. X will be equal to 5. So x equal to 5 is the only solution for our radical equation. Now we are going to verify our answer. So let us write here verification for x equal to 5. Equation is written over here. So let's get started with our LHS. We will check LHS. Square root of x. So we will write square root of 5 plus 2 times square root of x minus 1. We will write 5 minus 1. Then we have plus sign. Square root of x minus, we will write 5 minus 2 times square root of 5 minus 1. Value will be equal to 5 plus 2 times square root 4 plus square root 5 minus 2 times square root 4. Now square root 4 is 2. We will write 5 plus 2 times 2. So let us write 4 plus square root of 5 minus 2 times 2. We will write 4 once again. So this is square root 9 plus square root 1. Square root 9 is 3. Square root 1 is 1. We will be getting LHS 4. Now we will verify our RHS, which is x minus 1. So we will write 5 minus 1. Value is 4. LHS equal to RHS. Hence our solution x equal to 5 is true and verified. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.